Hello and welcome to Get Creative in the Kitchen. On this channel I teach you to cook delicious Indian food. So if that's something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious cabbage and meat potato curry. So let's get started. Here's what you're going to need for this recipe. The full ingredients are in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to heat up our pan. And once your pot or pan is heated up, I'm going to put your oil in. When your oil is heated up, we're going to start with our chopped onions. Cook these onions till they turn a nice light golden brown. Our onions have turned a nice light golden brown, so it's time now to put our tomatoes in. Give that a nice mix. We're going to cook our tomatoes for 5 to 10 minutes till they soften up. Our tomatoes have softened up quite a bit, so we're going to add our ginger and garlic paste. Give that a good mix. So we're going to stir our ginger and garlic for 2 to 3 minutes till it releases all its aroma. That smells beautiful. Okay, our ginger and garlic paste smells lovely and the tomatoes have softened up quite a bit. It's time now for our dry ingredients to go in. So we've got our turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, paprika, chili, and we're going to give that a mix. So we're going to cook these dry spices for about 3 minutes. So just turn the heat down and now let this all cook together nicely till the oil releases and comes to the top. So our curry paste has been cooking for a few minutes now and you can see that the oil has released and come to the top. So it's time now to add our meat. Turn your heat back up and we're going to brown this meat in these spices. I'm going to add my salt. Give that a good mix. And we're going to keep stirring this till our meat turns a nice dark color. Now I have used beef in this recipe, but you can use any other meat of your choice. You can use lamb or goat or mutton. It doesn't have to be beef. So the meat has been cooking for about 15 minutes and it's released all its own juices. I haven't added any water to this. So I'm going to let it keep cooking till all these juices dry up. I'm now going to add my Garam Masala and I'm going to mix that through for another 2 minutes. And it's looking lovely and smelling really nice. Now this would be a nice meat curry on its own, but we're going to make it with some cabbage today. Now I have made another video with cabbage and potatoes, which I'm going to link for you in the description below. That video has done very well and got a lot of views, so I thought I'd make another cabbage recipe. So if you enjoyed the other video, here's another one, or if you haven't seen the other video, go into the description and have a look. So that's nicely dried up. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to add some water and cook this. Now if you don't have a pressure cooker, you would just put the lid on and cook it for about half an hour to 40 minutes depending on your meat. I've got a pressure cooker, so I'm going to speed up the process, and I'm going to put the lid on and cook this meat in the pressure cooker till it's tender. Okay, our meat's looking really good. It's cooked well. And it's time now to add our cabbage. So I'm going to add this cabbage in stages. This cabbage is going to release quite a bit of water and reduce in size. Let this cabbage cook through nicely. It might take about 10 to 15 minutes. I've got my stove on high, medium to high. I am going to put the lid on for a few minutes. I'm not pressurizing it, I'm just putting the lid on to cook it in its own juices. I'm just going to take the lid off and check. This is looking good. It smells good too. It's nice and dry, just how I want it. But I just want to cook this cabbage a little bit more. It needs to soften up a little bit more. So I'm just going to turn the heat down a little bit and put my lid on just to soften the cabbage up a bit. Just for another 5 minutes. Let's have a look and see if this cabbage is cooked. Look at that. That looks really good. Okay, I'm happy with that. My meat is cooked and my cabbage is done. So this is cabbage and meat, Anglo-Indian style. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.